DAV Alumni Association was started about two and a half years back with the sole idea of bringing together the alumni, which is very, very large in numbers. After a lot of thinking, it was thought that we go ahead and start with the magazine. The DAV United magazine started. And then from the DAV United magazine, more and more people started getting attached with it.
This event will probably be the foundation stone from which we can look forward to creating more DAV events, making sure that DAV is a community, a strong one. It's what it should be. So taking it to the next level where DAV is not only just a school or just an institution, it becomes more of a brand in itself where we feel proud to be associated with it.
Earlier we used to play, but now DAV platform has given us an opportunity to interact in a more concise and more precise way.
We never realized the kind of alumni that DAV had. We always knew it was very large. We always knew it was very respected. But what we have actually now seen, it is tremendous. Today, like Richard Reiki, I never knew that a multinational company, KPMG's CEO, would be a DAV alumni of Hansraj College. And that today his humility, his humbleness proved beyond any doubt that DAV culture was inbred into him throughout his stay at Hansraj. And we are proud of him.
In Kolachi at Hansraj Model School, I'm a 97 batch. Then I have taken a liberty of Hansraj College, so thereafter a 2000 batch. Just small words, I feel proud today to be here. And that's something which this DAV United is inculcating, and that's one of the brightest moments. Because once we feel proud of our own institutions, that's the best a person can get. Thanks a lot for all this.
Here, this is my second time being here with the alumni of DAV. It has been a pleasure, and I feel fortunate that I'm part of this group that is going to lead in future with the DAV United.
It is the process of building the DAV brand. Manoj Mittal and the alumni management company is doing an excellent job. They have managed it very well, and I hope very soon they should be able to start their next phase, where I am looking for that 1800 call center number, where any alumni anywhere in the country could telephone and find out if he has any friends of his available in that city.